Hello guys, ayan. So we're here na at Kalibotatian Museum. So this is it. Wow. Guys. So ito yung mga nanalo. I think this is the nanalo of the ati-atihan. There. Wow. Ganda yata ito pagka-araw.